Good morning everyone, I am Alex Ariola from HM501A. So, our topic is ROP and EOQ. So, unahon na to ang ROP. Ang ROP is, reordering point is the inventory level at which a new order must be placed to replenish stock before it reaches zero, ensuring continuous operation and preventing stock outs. So, formula for ROP, reorder point or ROP equals usage times lead times plus safety stocks. So, usage, how many stock will use, lead time, how long it will arrive or delivered, safety stocks, extra inventory, keep to cover unexpected demands or delays. So, example, if the company expected daily usage is 100 bottles of wine, the anticipated delivery is 6 to 10 days. When will the company place the order or reorder point? So, formula for ROP, ROP equals usage times lead times plus safety stocks. So, ROP equals 100 bottles per day times 6 to 10 days. Mo na atong lead time. So, plus 100 bottles per day mo na ato ang safety stocks. So, din ta nakakuha sa 4. Ang 4 is 6 to 10 days man. So, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mo na ang 4. Diya ta nakuha sa lead time. So, ROP equals 100 times 6 days. Din ta nakakuha sa 6 days. Kaya ang minimum sa lead time na to is 6 to 10 days. So, mo na gigamit na to ang 6. So, 100 times 6 equals 600. 100 times 4 equals 400. So, 600 plus 400 equals 1,000 bottles of wine. Ang ato ang ROP. Therefore, the company should make the order when level inventory is at 1,000 bottles. The next one is economic order quantity or EOQ. Economic order quantity or EOQ is used to determine the most cost-effective quantity of inventory order on one that maximizes the total cost of ordering and holding stocks, where O equals cost of placing an order or ordering cost, N equals number of units required annually, C annual carrying cost per unit per inventory. Formula for economic order quantity. So equals square root of 2 times O times N divided by C. So, ang O na to mo na ang ordering cost, then ang N kay katong number of units required annually, then ang C kay annual carrying cost. So, example, number of jars of honey required annually, 10,000. Cost of placing an order, 10 pesos. Annual carrying cost per year of jars inventory, 0.80. So, EOQ, formula for EOQ, kay EOQ equals square root of 2 times O times N divided by C. So, square root of 2, ang O na to, ang ordering cost na to, kay mo na ang 10 pesos. Tas ang N na to, ang number of jars of honey required annually, mo na ang 10,000 pesos. Divided by sa ato ang carrying cost nga 0.80. So, 2 times 10 times 10,000 jars divided by 80. Nya, iguman na to times sa 2 times 10 times 10,000 divided by 80. Makakam up tag answer nga EOQ equals 500 jars. Sunod kay number of orders per year or NO. Number of orders per year or NO, formula is NO equals N divided by EOQ. So, NO equals 10,000 jars divided by 500 kay ato ang quantity, ato ang N nato kay mo na ang number of jars of honey required annually. So, mo na 10,000. Yan. Ang N mo na ang 10,000, then ang EOQ nato ganina is 500 jars man. So, 10,000 divided by 500. Ang ato ang answer kay number of orders is 20 orders kay 10,000 divided by 500 equals 20 orders. Nga, C, total ordering cost per year or TOC. Formula TOC equals NO times OC. So, TOC equals, ang NO na to ganina kay 20 orders. Tapos, ang OC na to ganina, ang OC na to, ang order cost na to is 10 pesos. So, muna ang 20 times 10 equals 200. Muna ang TOC na to. So, D, average inventory or EI. EI equals EOQ. EI equals EOQ divided by 2. So, ang ato ang EOQ ganina kay 500 man. So, 500 jars divided by 2, makakam up to sa answer nga 250. Muna ang EI na to, average inventory, 250 jars. So, ang E kay total carrying cost per year or TCC time equals AI times CC. Ang TCC equals 250. Ang EI na to ganina is 250 man, 250 jars times carrying cost nga 0.80. So, i-times na nato sa landuha. So, makakam up to sa answer nga 200. Gikan sa 250 jars times 0.80, ang TCC kay, ang total carrying cost kay 200 pesos. Ang total cost or TC equals TOC plus TCC. TC equals 200 plus 200 kay ang TOC na to ganina is 200 man. Tas ang TCC na to pod ganina is 200. So, i-add na nato silang duha. 200 plus 200 equals 400. So, ato ang total cost is 400. That's all. Thank you.